Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the cards with you. I have 2 tarot cards and 1 angel answer cards. So look at this, the 4 of Wands. Isn't that beautiful? Haven't had that for quite a while. The King of Cups. And I love this. You're ready. An angel answer card. Now let's have a look at the 4 of Wands first of all. This could mean a celebration. Some sort of in a process you get points where you think, oh brilliant, we've got to this point, we've hit this milestone, we've hit this goal, objective, whatever it is, and you're like, yes, this is amazing, this is incredible, this is fantastic, and it's cause for celebration. This is very much about the 4 of Wands. Now for me personally, as a reader with the 4 of Wands, we've got it connecting to things like business or work or enterprise, but also life purpose, also your passions, your heart and soul, what's really important to you inside. So there's something that's going on with you, with something around those areas that I've described, where you get to a really amazing point and you think, whether I didn't realize I'd be able to do it, or I didn't know if I could make it, or it was tough, or whatever it was, but you're like, yes, 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 yes. So this is celebration and joy, and with the people that you love and that are around you, so it will be impacting them positively. It can also talk about some sort of move or shift. So because we've got buildings in the back there. So for some of you, this is about moving home, moving house, moving job, moving teams, moving companies, moving industries, some sort of move. It could be moving countries, all different things. So there could be some sort of good news around a move that you've been hoping for or wanting, but this is lovely. And I want to bring in this one. Yeah, they're just saying bring in this one, Estelle, now, because with this, you might get something in that causes you to celebrate, but then sometimes, not always, sometimes we then start to doubt ourselves. Why do we do this? But then we go into, oh gosh, is it all right? Because we're moving out of our comfort zone. We're moving out of the norm into something a bit new and a bit different as we go forward. What they're saying here, don't doubt yourself this week. Don't doubt yourself, because you're ready. You're ready for this. You're ready for this move, this shift, this, whatever this is bringing in for you, whether it's something to celebrate, you are ready. Okay. And it can come, I've just got from some people, it might be things like pregnancy or proposals. It could be in so many different ways, and you're going, oh, I don't know if I'm ready for that next phase of my life, and they're saying you're ready. The King of Cups is lovely. This can connect to the father type figure, the masculine energy, so there might be some links around that. King of Cups is just such a lovely person. If it's a person coming into your life, they are kind, caring, loving, nurturing, giving, make really good mentors and coaches and guides. So it may be someone in your life this week who is the King of Cups, just coming along, helping you, supporting you, guiding you, assisting you. Maybe it's the person that makes the offer that gives you the cause for celebration. Maybe they come along and, give an invitation, an opportunity, a proposal even might be coming from the King of Cups, and you go, brilliant, this is a cause for celebration. So they might be coming bearing gifts, and the gifts can be, they could be wrapped up in so many different ways. They can come in so many different ways, whether it's, this could just be like a piece of advice or guidance that really makes a difference to you, and you think, wow, that's kind of changed everything, how I look at this, how I'm viewing this. can you trust this person? You absolutely can. They are so trustworthy. You can believe what they say. You can take their help, their proposal, their offer, whatever it is. You can trust them and rely on them. Now, it might be the other way. So it could be you in this role of the King of Cups. Maybe you're helping, maybe you're proposing even to someone. You're making the offer, you're doing the helping and assisting and advice and guidance, and someone's coming to you. But it just feels such a lovely energy. There feels like a lot of joy in this. And if you're doubting yourself at all this week, don't, because you're ready for this. You're ready for this step. You're ready for this advice. You're ready for this offer or this next part of your life that's now going to unfold. How lovely. All right, I hope it's a really good week and thank you so much for watching.